Try mixing primer and foundation together and use your finger to spread the foundation onto your face. And use a beauty blender to blend everything in place. Onto the next step, apply a small amount of concealer onto your eye bag if you have one, and also at the nose bridge and chin. Then blend the chin and the nose bridge first. We want the under eye concealer to get tacky before blending it in for a high coverage. And I have a couple of pimples at the side of my face, but I don't mind them, so I'm not going to cover them up. Next, apply a thin layer of cream contour onto the side of your nose next to the brows and also under the tip of your nose. Then onto the side of your face in a 3-shape motion. As you can see, I apply a tiny bit of a product because this cream is really pigmented and I don't want my contour to be obvious since we're going for the fresh look. Then use a beauty blender to tap the products in to blur the harsh lines. Then apply a tiny bit of coral blush with a stippling brush around your cheekbones and at the side of your temple to create a natural flush. This product is buildable, so start with a thin layer and build up the color if you want to. Now I'm going to set my shiny face with a translucent powder. Before you apply the product, make sure you tap the excess powder on your palm before applying it onto the area you want to set. So for me, per usual, under eye area, smile line, and my forehead, and also my chin. This technique will help your foundation last longer and make your skin look breathable. Today, I'm wearing a Candy Magic contact lens from Pink Icon. Moving on to the brows, we're going to keep it simple by creating strokes to fill in your brows. And I'm following my natural arch to make this look more youthful. And I'm using spoolie brush to feather the harsh lines. Moving on to the eyeshadow, apply coral beige color onto the lid. And feather it out towards your temple. Then blend it upwards towards your inner part of your brows and use whatever left on the brush onto the lower lash line. Next, apply shimmer champagne color onto the center of your lower lash line and feather it to each sides of your lower lash line. And use a tapping motion to make the products less pigmented. Next, squint your eyes to find your eye bag and line your eye bag with a gel liner to make your eyes appear bigger. Next, tightline your tear duct with a pencil liner. And also at the outer parts of your lower lash line. This will help your eyes look wider. Then line your eyes with liquid liner and wing it out. Next, apply deep reddish brown color on top of your liquid liner to create a burnt, soft, smoky effect. And use whatever left on the brush, apply it on top of your eye bag as well. With the same champagne color, apply it onto your brow bone and blend it down just above your eye crease. And also at the inner corners of your eyes. After you curl your lashes, apply a thin layer of mascara onto the upper and lower lashes. Now for the falsies. After you apply the glue to the false lashes, lift your mirror 100 degrees angle from your face and look up. Then apply false lashes underneath the lash line and press your real lashes to the falsies. Moving on to the face, apply the same champagne color onto your nose bridge, cheekbones, and your chin. And the reason why I kept using repetitive color is that I want to create a natural flush effect for this look. Same products, different technique. Moving on to the lips, line your lip line with a nude lip liner. Then apply a tinted lip oil at the center of your lips and use your finger to blend it seamlessly. Lastly, set your face with a setting spray. My back hurts. What am I supposed to say again? Oh yeah! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please watch the new music video, uRight, Shigga Shay featuring J-Pop because your homegirls are in it. I don't know why I'm so nervous, but yes, I really hope you guys like it. Please show support because it will mean so much to me. And please follow me on social media because I'm trying my best to be as active as possible. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Have a great day, guys. Love you. Bye. Why are you still here? Anyway, please go watch the music video, please. Thank you. Love you guys. Okay, I really am gonna go now. Bye. Bye. Bye.